We're given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And we're also given that EC is equal to AB. We need to prove that triangle BCD and triangle EBA are isosceles triangles. That means we need to prove that this side is congruent to this side. Also, this side is congruent to this side. How do we do that? Remember, we're given some information here. Let's see what the information can do for us. First of all, we're given that these two segments are congruent, EC and AD. Those two are congruent segments. So let me trace them. EC and AD. Let me use a different color. Okay, looks like we can prove that two triangles are congruent. Okay, I can prove that triangle, if we can prove triangle EBC is congruent to triangle DBA. Then corresponding sides, right, are congruent in the two triangles. All right, so first of all, we're given that these two triangles have a pair of congruent segments or sides. That is, EC is congruent to AD. Well, that is given to us. We just now trace it. That's EC and that's AD. What else is given to us? In these two triangles, we're also given that angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Okay, we will need another pair of congruent sides or another pair of congruent angles to prove that these two triangles are congruent. We may need to use the information on angles. This is the reason, though, we're given that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. We can use the information on the angles to find another pair of congruent angles to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, let's try. How do we do that? Let's name this angle. This angle, say, as angle phi. Okay, so in this triangle, I say ABD in this triangle. Okay, so angle DBA is equal to angle 1 plus angle phi. In triangle ECB, okay, so angle EBC is equal to angle 2 plus angle 5. Oops, sorry about that. Please remember, we're given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And so these two amounts are equal. So we can say that angle DBA is congruent to angle EBC. EBC is here. DBA is there. All right. So in these two triangles, we have a pair of congruent sides, a pair of congruent angles, and also another pair of congruent angles. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent by AAS. So these two triangles are congruent, right? So triangle EBC is congruent to triangle ABD. Okay, please remember in congruent triangles, right? The corresponding angles are congruent. Angle 4 faces side. I mean, when in the corresponding sides are congruent, corresponding angles are also congruent. So AB and BE, that's their congruent angles and the sides. Why? How do we find that? The opposite side of angle 3 is EB. The opposite side of angle 4 is AB. Corresponding angles face corresponding sides. That's why we know AB is congruent to BE. With the same method, we can say that BD is congruent to BC. Okay, according to the definition of isosceles triangles, right? So these two sides make the triangle, let me put it here this way, make the triangle ABE isosceles. And this side, these two sides, okay, make triangle BCD isosceles. Thank you for watching.